Well, hello, this is Brad Buckner with Sharpensbest.com. You know, we've been talking about getting the sharpeners made in the U.S. and to do that I got to send out samples of the carbide, and you know, so the carbide manufacturers can look at them and give me a quote on price and availability and time and all that stuff. So I've got to tear another one of the sharpeners apart to get the carbides out of it. And I just got to say that it really isn't that easy to tear the carbides out of the sharpeners, to tear the sharpener up. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to work. Before I did this with one pair of pliers, and I'm telling you it is not that easy to use these for pliers instead of another pair of pliers. So I'm going to clue you in here what I'm doing and let you see and watch. And this is a real sin because I've got to tear apart one of the rectangle sharpeners, and I just plain and simply don't have any of those. I have a couple of demos that I found that I can tear up, but we've been out of the rectangles for a little while now. This is Brad Buckner, Sharpensbest.com. Let's tear up a sharpener. It isn't that easy to tear up these sharpeners. They're made out of nylon, and nylon is really tough. So you know what, I'll tell you this, anybody that tells me, oh, it just came apart, they're full of shit. Because now trying to get those two little carbides, oh wait a minute, one carbide, and then trying to get that carbide out is a whole nother story. So let me find my screwdriver. And like I say, this is kind of a sin to tear up these sharpeners, but it has to be done. And you can actually chip and break the carbide, so you do have to be a little bit careful metal to metal pliers to the carbide itself. Okay, there's one of them, like pulling teeth out of a 20-foot crocodile. I don't know how I'm going to get the other one out of there. But I can take this one out. That one's kind of easy. They're about 1/16 of an inch thick. Ooh, here it comes. And there it is. Well, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care and you have a darn good day out there. And I'm going to send these off to Houston, Texas. See if I can't get them duplicated. Made in America. What I don't go through trying to help my customers, my dealers, distributors, my website. Okay, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care and you have yourself a darn good day. Here's a good book to read. Talk to you later.